In this video, I'm going to show you how to move a picture in Microsoft Word. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. One of the most frustrating parts of Microsoft Word is moving images. If I selected my image of my elephant now and tried to move it, you're moving it based on its cursor location. So if I moved it here, it will cause all kinds of formatting chaos, and we don't want that. In order to resolve this issue, first click on the image, then go to picture format, and then from here we're going to look for the text wrap option. Next, we're going to change the wrapping from in line with text, which is the default option in Microsoft Word, to something like in front of text, which simply means the image will go in front of the text. Or we can click on square, which is a form of text wrapping where, as you can see, the text wraps around the image. Let's select square. Now, if I click on my image and try and move it, you'll notice that the text wraps nicely around my image, but more importantly, I can move it freely around my document. If you want more precision, you can use the arrow keys. So we can select the image and we can simply use the arrow keys here to move and maneuver the image to any part of the document that you wish. If you're like me, I want shortcuts and quicker way of doing things, then we can actually add the wrap text to quick access tool. Click on the image, click picture format, and then go to wrap text, right click it, and then click add to quick access toolbar. It will now be positioned at the top of the toolbar. So if I'm here and I just click on my image, I can just click this and I can select the type of text wrapping that I wish to have. If you found this video helpful, click like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you learn more about how to move an image freely across your document, then visit my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.